All right, so I got a question from I got a question about trading, and the question reads, this is from a lady named Julia. She asks about, so you mentioned, I'm not sure if it was in your video about day trading. I found this company called iGenius, it looks like iGenius, who used to go by a different name. Can't recall now. They claim to do affiliate marketing in Forex, crypto, and some other market. I was wondering if you have heard anything about this company. From a professional perspective, what are your thoughts? Best regards. Julia, my thoughts. I thought it'd just be a lot easier for me to make a video. So, well, I started in 2015, and maybe a year later after I got involved into day trading, I got involved with a company. I got involved with iMarkets Live, which is now IM Academy. I'm no longer part of that. I was with them for maybe like a couple years. I met a lot of great people. I'll touch back up on this iGenius. I don't, here in just a second, but I was in that company for a couple years, and it was fun. I met a lot of great people, networked a lot. I did learn quite a bit. I failed. I lost money. Not really a lot of money, but I lost money. Not necessarily with the company, but just in trading alone. Like something to think about with investing and trading is this, okay? Because I've been doing it now almost 8 years, I think, just about, something like that now. And one thing I will say with companies, there's thousands of companies out there now, especially within the past 4 years, as day trading starts to become more popular. It's also becoming more popular, and work from home is becoming more popular due to the thing that happened. I'm not going to say it because YouTube will take videos down that says the name, if y'all know what I'm talking about, that happened March 2020 when the market took a big dip, right? And it's been rising ever since, but but it's becoming real popular. And trading is a business. So if you decide to get into a company that, or wanting to do that, just know that you're going to be starting a whole new career. Now, are you going to last? I don't know. 95% or more people never make any money and never consistently continue to pursue it. But that's the same with any industry. So, I'm not, in no way, shape, or form am I saying to not do it. Because I believe that network marketing, because I'm sure it is a network marketing company. Marketing, you say Forex, crypto, affiliate marketing. Yeah, it's a network marketing company. Network marketing companies are great. It's a great way to start. If you haven't been in business or you never got started in business, it's a great way to start. it's a great way to start and get going. And if you decide to pursue working with that company, then more power to you. Eventually, the way that I kind of see it is network marketing companies are kind of like training wheels in business. I learned a ton from network marketing. I was in network marketing since 2010 to about 2018 or 19. Sold lots of products, info products, physical products, affiliate marketing, all kinds of stuff, right? All different kinds of companies. So it's a great place to start. But the only downfall is that as I look back now, and as I was in it, and shortly after I decided to leave that network marketing company and only focus on trading, because ultimately, once you kind of get the education and kind of get the hang of it, depends on who you learn from, right? Find yourself a mentor. Find somebody that can teach you, show you. Of course, if you're looking at this company, then they got some system going on and they got some educators and stuff, but also beware, everybody's an educator now on everything. So just be cautious of that. Who recruits you, who you're associated with, because that's ultimately going to determine your success in anything. The biggest thing about trading is going to be patience. When I first got in, I wanted to make a lot of money very quickly, just like everybody else. You see all the profit potential, but all that profit potential is the same in any industry. It does require less work. You're clicking a mouse, and you can make $500, $100, $1,000, $10,000, really whatever amount, depending on the equity that you have and that you hold, and depending, that's pretty much it. You can take, and then also how fast you make it, right? It depends on if you're in and out of the market just for New York session or Asian session or London, and or you decide to swing trade, or you could do both, or you could scalp. It all just depends. So that would be my advice. I could share a lot about trading, but from my perspective and my thoughts, give it a shot. Once you get the basics down and you start learning, and usually a person will kind of figure out if it's for them or not usually within 6 months or so. A lot of people say that they want to make a lot of money trading and do all this trading, and and then they just don't show up to the computer every day. They got other stuff going on, and focus more on their job or some other part of their business or whatnot. But it is a skill that once you maintain and develop the skill, and you're able to see how the market moves and how it shifts, and how the banks basically manipulate the market, and you see what's going on, you kind of get that vision of that world view of how the market kind of turns, and how the world, with money and government and and companies, stocks, just how the world moves. Once you kind of get that down and you kind of get a grasp of how that affects the charts and affects the market, and you if you can see a vision for yourself doing it, then uh, I would do it. It's a skill that nobody will ever be able to take away from you. You know, just the skill of anything else. So if you put your mind to work and are able to focus, and you're able to have patience, and you're able to have discipline, you're able to control your emotions, control yourself. It's gonna take some time. For some people, it takes a lot longer than others, and some people get it within like a few months, because a lot of it has to do with having control over your emotions. With money, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose you're gonna lose trades, right? But eventually, the goal is to get better to the point to where you don't make as many losses as you do wins. So that'll be my words for you, Julia. Um, so for those of you who are interested in doing the same thing, that'd be my advice. That would be my advice as well. So I hope this answers your question, and if you got any more questions, feel free to send them my way. And yeah, hope this helps. I'll see you in the next video.